After you create your customer quotes, you can view customer quotes report. You can view your reports by clicking this quick reports, and you can select your quotes report. Or you can go to customers, select reports. From this menu also you can select your customer quotes report. You can select the date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, or last month, last quarter, last year. And if you want to select specific date range, you can select custom dates and you can select the date range. If you select all, system will display all period customer quotes. You can select customers from this customer menu. You can select particular customer or range of customers. If you don't select any customer, system will display all customer details. And if you have customer categories, you can select customer category wise. You can select particular customer category or range of customer categories. And if you don't select any customer category, system will display all customer categories. You can select the customer status. You can filter active customer report, inactive customer reports, or all customer reports. From document status, you can select accepted quotations, declined quotations, pending quotations, expired quotations, invoice quotations, or all quotations. If you have foreign customers, you can view the transactions in customer's currency, or if you uncheck this checkbox, system will display transactions in home currency. After that, you can click the view report and you can view the report. You can view transaction date, quotation expiry date, document number, customer reference, customer name, exclusive amount, VAT amount, total amount, sales rep, and status of the quote. You can export to PDF, Excel, CSV file, and you can print this report or you can email this report. Furthermore, if you check this use foreign currency checkbox, you can view the transactions in customer's currency. However, if you select foreign currency, use foreign currency, you cannot view the grand total of this report. If you uncheck this report and refresh, you can view the grand total.